Namaskar, my dear students of class 5. Today I shall introduce you 3 lessons. Lesson number, unit number 2, page number 10, page number 11 and page number 12. These are the 3 pages I am going to teach you for students of class 5A. Because these 3 lessons already I have taught for other section. Now open at page 10. Open at page 10. Open at page 10. You see the names of these lessons. First name extinct animals, and second name stages of the crop, and third name flowers. First name extinct of animals. Extinct of animals. Second name stages of the crop, and third name flowers. Now please look at it. First name extinct of, open at page 10 and see extinct of animals. Which animals are in modern times causes of extinction, and also has been dominated by the activities of human beings, and increasing population, due to increasing population, due to pollution, due to global warming, due to fishing, due to overhunting, or introduction of alien species of an environment. These animals are now extinct. Now we have to find out their names. What are the names nowadays? These are extinct animals. The first name, an extinct flightless bird that inhabited the islands of Mauritius. What is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is dodo. Look at page number 10 and see. My question is, an exhibited flightless bird that inhabited in the islands of Mauritius. What is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is dodo. Then second one, native to North America and once the most abundant birds in the world. What is the name of this animal? What is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is passenger pigeon. This is native to North America and once the most abundant birds in the world, that is passenger pigeon. And third one, a large and flightless bird that was founded in the North Atlantic. What is the name of this bird? Large and flightless bird. The name of this bird is grey cock. These are found in North Atlantic. And next one, native to Australia. Now you have to find out name of one animal. Native to Australia, survived on the island of Tasmania until 1930. What is the name of this animal? Tasmanian tiger. Tasmanian tiger. This animal was survived on the island of Tasmania until the year 1930. And fifth one, its instinct may be linked to the decline and extinction of large herbivores. What is the name of this animal? It looks like tiger. The name of this animal is saber-tooth cat. Saber-tooth cat. And sixth animal, it was found only in the Yangtze River in China. Yangtze River in China. What's the name of this animal? This is Baiji white dolphin. Baiji white dolphin. It was found only in the Yangtze River in China. And next one, closely related to, this animal is closely related to the modern day elephant, but disappeared 10 years ago. What's the name of this animal? It looks like modern day elephants, but 10,000 years ago, this kind of animals are disappeared. Were disappeared 10,000 years back, these animals had disappeared. What's the name of this animal? The name of this animal is woolly mammoth. Woolly mammoth. And next one kind of goat. This goat was found in the found in the Iberian Peninsula. Found in Iberian Peninsula. What is the name of this animal? This is Pyrenean ibex. Pyrenean ibex. This is, my dear students, page number 10. And next one, now open at page number 11. Students of class 5A, open at page number 11. Stages of a crop. Stages of a crop. You know, there are different types of stages of crop. In the first stage, transplanting the seedlings. Transplanting the seedlings. In the second stage, plying the field. And third stage, harvesting the crop. Fourth stage, transporting the grain to wholesalers. Fifth stage, fertilizing the field. And sowing. Sowing is one stage. Sowing the seedlings, one stage. Rice available by buyers in shops. This is another stage. And winnowing the seeds. This is another stage. So first stage, transplanting the seedlings. And first stage, plying the field. First stage, plying the field, and then transplanting, and then first plying the field, then transplanting the seedlings, then fertilizing the field, then harvesting the crop. No, sorry. Transplanting the seedlings, then first plying the fiddle. First, earlier, what was the system? Earlier, agricultural crops were cultivated by oxen or domesticated animals. But after the discovery of a number of agricultural implements during Industrial Revolution, there came a wave of revolution in the field of agriculture. As a result, instead of manual labor, machines started working. So, machines started working. So, instead of manual work, machines started working employing the agricultural lands. Okay. For example, tractors. Tractors are used in agricultural lands while plowing the lands. At the same time, after having plowed the lands, one process also started, that is transplanting the seedlings, and then fertilizing the field, then sowing the seedlings, then harvesting the crop, then transporting the grain to the wholesalers, and finally rice available for buyers in shop. So these are the stages, different stages through which crops are produced in agricultural lands and supplied. Crops are supplied to the wholesalers or sell. Now open at page number 12, my dear students. Open at page number 12. Flowers. There are some flowers. In your book, it is written not in order, but you have to write according to order. Here it is written F-O-D-F-L-I-A-D. Fliard. What exactly the name of this flower is? What exactly is the name of this flower? The name of this flower is daffodil, but it is written Fliard. But you have to write as per proper order, so that the meaningful word comes, which will be a name of flower, that is daffodil. And next, pure. What is the exact name of this flower? The exact name of this flower is poppy. And third one, Carinina. But the exact name is carnation. Carinina and Caorina. In this name there is no flower. There is no flower. So you have to transform the name by bringing all the letters alphabetically. Then automatically the exact name of this flower will come. That is Carnation. Carnation is the name of the flower. And next one, Ilil. Ilil, there is no name of any flower. There is no name like Ilil. There is no name of any flower. Ilil. Ilil is not a name of any flower. So what is exactly the name of this flower? Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. The exact name is lily. And next one, Cydia. Cydia, there is no name like Cydia. Now what exactly the name will be? The exact name will be Daisy. Daisy is the name of a flower. Then next one, Atpil. There is no name of Atpil. There is no name of any flower. There is no name. Atpil is not any name of any flower. So what exactly the name? The exact name is Tulip. Tulip is the name of a flower. And next one, Liondin. What is the exact name of this? There is no, Liondin is not a name of any flower. So what exactly the name is? The exact name is Dandelion. Dandelion. And next one, Lochi. Lochi. There is no name Lochi. Lochi is not any name of any flower. So what exactly name will be? The exact name will be Orchid. Orchid is the name of a flower. Next one, Nagbia. There is no name of any flower. Nagbia. Nagbia is not a name of any flower. So what exactly the name is? The exact name is Hydrangea. Hydrangea is the name of the flower. Then Yansek. Yansek, table number 10, Yansek. But Yansek is not any name of a flower. Yansek is not a name of any flower. So what exactly the name will be? The exact name will be Penong. Pansy. Pansy is the name of a flower. And next one, Lissy. Lissy is not a name of any flower. But what exactly the name is? The exact name of Lissy is Iris. But Lissy is written not in proper order, but you have to write it in proper order. It is Iris. And next, olive tree. There is no name. Olive tree is not a name of any flower. But what exactly the name will be? The exact name will be violet. So violet is the name of a flower, but not already. So these are the names of these flowers. But my dear students, these names are not known to us, because all these flowers' names are the names of foreign countries. These flowers are, these flowers are the flowers of foreign countries: Australia, Russia, Italy, France, China, Switzerland. So these are the flowers of different countries of the world. That's why its names also are quite different than that of the flowers of our own country. That's why these names are not, we don't know these names are not, we are not well acquainted with these names. That's why these names we have to learn properly. Like daffodil, poppy, carnation, lily, daisy, tulip, dandelion, orchid, hydrangea, pansy, iris, violet. These are the names you have to learn properly. So these are the three pages. Page number 2 I taught you, page number 10, 11 and 12. First one, extinct animals, and second one, stages of crop, and third one, flowers. First one, extinct of animals, second one, stages of the crop, third one, flowers. Already these three lessons, the 3 pages, 10, 11 and 12, I taught it for GK 5B. Now it was my turn to teach you the same lessons for your section. That's the students of 5A is taught these 3 pages page number 10, 11, and 12. After this, my dear students, thank you. All of you, please learn all these things quickly as possible and take it down in your copies. Thank you.